Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your work to Showbie or how to feedback on some work that a teacher has set you, or even if they've given you an extension task. So the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is you need to sign in. So you're going to add your username, which you can find in your home learning diary or pack or anything that your teacher has given you. I'm going to use the example one, and then just go ahead and click sign in. Once you've signed in, you're going to look at your classes. So I've got two classes here. I'm going into the home learning project. Now, just to show you how we can go about editing things, I'm going to click on the assignment I want to do, and today I'm going to do some colouring. Here where it says mindfulness colouring, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do my work on. This is how I want to edit. So my teacher has set me the worksheets, the colouring sheets, so I can go ahead and I can use the tools at the start of the screen, at the top of the screen. So I'll just show you here. I've got a pen tool that you can see. So I can go ahead and colour in these bits. I've got a highlighter tool next to it. At the moment it's yellow, so I'm going to change that colour to green. I can make it thicker. I can then go ahead and I can add a massive highlighted circle there, or some streaks, or do whatever you want to do. I can rub out anything I want to get rid of if I don't like that. I can even, using this text box, add my comment to my teacher here. So in this sense it's Miss Glenn that has given me the work. So I could add a comment. So I really enjoy this colouring. And you can send that. So click on the box, it will disappear. Click on it again, it will pop up. You can also, using this tool here, if I draw your attention to it, you can record some speech to add on. So you press the record button to record it, and then you also press the pause button afterwards, the same button, to get rid of it. You can then play it to preview it, or you can save it, in which case it will attach it. So I'm going to save that there, and it's going to add my voice note. Last but not least, next to that, finally we can add a text box. So we can drag a text box here and we can add a text box, okay? And that can then go around the screen to your teacher. Okay. Once you are done, once you've done all your feedback, you've done editing, if it's a worksheet, you just click done. That now sends to your teacher. They get a notification to say that you've submitted some work. If you are on a different assignment, so for my class, we have done things a little bit differently on different files. If you have done your work in your home learning diary and you'd like to send a picture to your teacher so they can see, so they can give you some feedback, or if you've done a poster or a bit of colouring at home and you think you'd like your teacher to see it, take a picture, send it to us. You can do this on any assignment on Showbie. I'm encouraging my children to keep it in the same place as everything else, so I know where I'm checking. If I wanted to add anything, so I press this plus button here, it can open up my camera, so I can take a picture of what's exactly in front of me. I can go into my photo library, so I can add a picture that I've already taken, or I can add a note. Again, same voice note, you can record yourself, or you can add a file. Now, files are documents, so that's if you've already done it. I would recommend, if you've done a piece of work on paper at home, you want to send it to your teacher, I'd recommend using either the camera at the top, or if you've already taken the picture, the photo library to attach that picture. After that, again, your teacher will get a notification, it will load through, and they'll be able to give you feedback on it. Any questions, put them in the comments box below the video, and we will get back to you where we can. Have a nice afternoon.